today we're going to learn how to use Apple Configurator 2 released for the Mac. So let's open it. So to use this, you need your iPhone. I'm using an iPhone 6s Plus from my mom and using a USB-C to Lightning port to connect the iPhone and to the Mac. So we're just going to load it. So after you load it, you'll see the current screen of your device. So you're just going to double click and you can see your phone information, the apps that you have, these are the profiles, and also the console of your device. So this is only a short video, but I'm going to release one using the Finder next video. So bye.